Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on ECNT Net Paper First. इस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में हमने इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है और इसमें से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस यूजीसी नेट पेपर फर्स्ट में पूछे जाते हैं, उन क्वेश्चंस को हम डिस्कस करेंगे। हर एक वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में बाय आर 30 क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूडेड होंगे एंड इन ऑल देयर विल बी अबाउट 15 video tutorials specifically dedicated on information and communication technology. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Where does a computer add and compare its data? A. CPU, B. Memory, C. Hard disk, D. Floppy disk. Correct option है CPU. 2. Computers on an internet are identified by A. email address, B. street address, C. IP address और D. none. तो यहाँ पर सही जवाब है IP address. 3. Which one of the following is not an internet service provider? ISP. A. MTNL, B. BSNL, C. Arnet India, D. Infotech India Limited. So correct option is Infotech India Limited. 4. Using websites to pour out one's grievances is called A. cyber venting, B. cyber ranting, C. web hate, D. web plea. So यहाँ पर correct option है cyber venting. Correct option is A. 5. In web search, finding a large number of documents with very little relevant information is termed as A. poor recall, B. web crawl, C. poor precision rate, or D. poor web response. Correct option is A. poor recall. 6. Use of an ordinary telephone as an internet appliance is called A. voice, B. voice telephone, C. voice line, or D. voice portal. Correct option is C. voice line. 7. The concept of connect intelligence is derived from A. virtual reality, B. fuzzy logic, C. Bluetooth technology, or D. value-added networks. Correct option here is value-added networks. 8. Video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed broadcasting is called A. virtual video, B. direct broadcast, C. video shift, or D. real-time video. Correct option is D. real-time video. 9. LAN stands for A. local and national, B. local area network, C. large area network, or D. live area network. So here correct option is LAN, local area network. 10. Which of the following statement is correct? A. modem is a software, B. modem helps in stabilizing the voltage, C. modem is the operating system, or D. modem converts the analog signal into digital signal and vice versa. So here correct option is D, that is modem converts the analog signal into digital signal and vice versa. 11. Which of the following is the appropriate definition of a computer? यहाँ पर 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बी. कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस दैट कैन स्टोर, retrieve and process both qualitative and quantitative data quickly and accurately. 12. Information and communication technology includes A. online learning, B. learning through the use of EduSat, C. web-based learning, or D. all of the above. So here correct option is D. all of the above. 13. Which of the following is the appropriate form of URL of email? अगर आप तुलनात्मक रूप से देखें और ऑब्वियसली आपने यूज किया होगा, सो एट द रेट जरूर होना चाहिए, एट द रेट फॉलोड बाय डोमेन. सो हियर इट इज www@mail.com. दिस इज द करेक्ट फॉर्मेट. 14. ऑन द कीबोर्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर ईच कैरेक्टर हैज एन ASCII value which stands for. Correct option is B. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. 15. Which part of the CPU, central processing unit, performs calculation and makes decision? A. arithmetic logic unit, B. alternating logic unit, C. alternate local unit, or D. American logic unit. Correct option is A. arithmetic logic unit. 16. DPI stands for A. dots per inch, B. digits per unit, C. dots pixel inch, और D. diagrams per inch. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीटेडली नेट में कई बार पूछा गया है. इसका सही जवाब है डॉट्स पर इंच. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 17. द प्रोसेस ऑफ लेइंग आउट अ डॉक्यूमेंट विद टेक्स्ट, graphics, headlines and photographs is involved in A. desktop publishing, B. desktop printing, C. desktop publishing, D. desktop printing. Correct option is C. desktop publishing. 18. Transfer of data from one application to another line is known as A. dynamic disk exchange, B. dodgy data exchange, or C. dogmatic data exchange, D. dynamic data exchange. Correct option is D. dynamic data exchange. 19. CD-ROM stands for, correct option is C. compact disk read only memory. 20. The brain of computer which keeps peripherals under its control is called, correct option is D. central processing unit, CPU. 21. Data can be saved on backing storage medium known as compact disk rewritable. Correct option is C. RAM means random access memory. Correct option is A. 23. www represents World Wide Web. Correct option is D here in case of 23. 24. WISIWYG describes the display of a document on a screen as it will actually print. A. What you see is what you get. B. What you see is what you get. C. What you save is what you get. Or D. What you suggest is what you get. So what you see is what you get is the correct option. क्योंकि जो स्क्रीन पर आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा वो उतना ही प्रिंट होगा, इसीलिए इसको शॉर्ट में बोला जाता है WISIWYG. दैट इज व्हाट यू सी इज व्हाट यू गेट. ये एक्रोनिक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट अगर आपको कोई प्रिंट करना है, मान लीजिए मोर देन 1 पेजेस का है, 200-300,000, तो यू कैन प्रिंट ओनली. अगर आपको करंट पेज या जो डिस्प्ले होगा वही प्रिंट होगा, या जो जैसा कि आप कमांड देंगे. 25. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज? यूनिक्स. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. 26. A keyboard has at least 101 keys. Correct option is B. 27. An email address is composed of 2 parts. Correct option is A. 28. Corel Draw is a popular illustration program. Correct option is A. 29. The accounting software Tally was developed by TCS. Correct option is B. 30. Errors in computer program are called, correct option is C, bugs. This was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Next time, best of luck.